I have dealers talk to us all the time about email. And, a lot of dealerships are afraid to send out more than one or two emails a month because they're afraid they're going to bombard their customers or they're going to turn them away. It's quite the contrary. We just delete it, right? And that's all that a customer is going to do. If you're not giving them something spammy and trying to sell them shares of some, penny stock, they're going to pay attention. And if they're your customers, especially if coming out of your CRM, they're definitely going to listen to what you've got to say, especially if they're in the market for a car. We send emails in a variety of ways for our customers because we know it works. It's probably one of the best ROI producing vehicles anybody can use. So we go after prospects up to a year old. We go after database for sold customers. We go after database for service customers. And then we also do a lot of conquest emails. So the people that we can't reach normally, we can send a conquest email to 30, 50, 100,000 people in a market and hit those people with that same message you're doing. So it's firing on all cylinders because it matches everything else you're doing. But we're reaching a whole new array of prospects. We're getting crazy open rates, 15 to 20% open rates. Great click-throughs coming to the website, and you look into the CRM, at the end of the year, you see a couple $1 million attributed to your email campaigns. It's working, right? And it doesn't cost a whole lot of money, but it's probably the most efficient way you can spend a dollar by going after customers with a robust email campaign that hits everyone on all fronts.